Have you ever wondered, why does every Indian currency note feature Mahatma Gandhi and not someone like Bhagat Singh, the fiery revolutionary who gave his life for India's freedom? Before we dive in, if you're into untold stories, history twists, and brain-tickling questions, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Imagine a currency note without Gandhi's familiar face. Sounds unimaginable, right? But have you ever wondered why Bhagat Singh, the legendary freedom fighter, isn't featured on our rupees? Let's unravel the mystery behind this fascinating story. Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of the nation, led India's freedom struggle through non-violence and civil disobedience. Bhagat Singh, on the other hand, represented a radical and revolutionary path, challenging British rule through bold actions and ideas. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence and his leadership during India's freedom struggle made him a global icon. His face on the rupee notes is a nod to his significant contribution to India's independence. But does that mean Bhagat Singh's sacrifices were less important? Bhagat Singh was a fearless revolutionary who inspired a generation to fight against British rule. His bravery and sacrifice are still celebrated. If you're learning something new or enjoying this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with a friend who loves history as much as you do. So, why didn't he make the cut for the rupee notes? Was it because his methods were considered too radical? Both were freedom fighters, but their ideologies were very different. In 1996, the Reserve Bank of India introduced the Mahatma Gandhi series, officially deciding to feature him on all currency notes. Why? Symbol of peace and non-violence. Gandhi's global image as a peaceful leader made him a unifying national symbol. Political consensus. Across political lines, Gandhi was seen as a safe, non-controversial figure to represent the Indian identity. Legacy of nation building. Gandhi's philosophy influenced India's post-independence direction, democracy, secularism, and peaceful resistance. What about Bhagat Singh? Despite being a national hero, Bhagat Singh was more divisive in political circles due to his Marxist leanings and revolutionary methods. Plus, the RBI prefers apolitical or universally accepted figures on currency. Gandhi fits that bill. That's why you'll find Gandhi smiling on your money. But not the fierce image of Bhagat Singh, even though he lives on in the hearts of millions. Both Gandhi and Bhagat Singh played vital roles in India's freedom. One on your notes. The other, forever, in your conscience. Whose face would you want on a currency note? Let us know in the comments below. And if this story moved you, made you think, or sparked a new question, don't just scroll away. Like, share, and subscribe, because stories like this deserve to be heard.